In this video, we'll learn some basic and useful English words, starting with the letter H. Expanding your vocabulary step by step will help you speak and understand English more confidently. Hair. The strands that grow from the scalp. She has long black hair. Hand. The part of the body at the end of the arm. He raised his hand to ask a question. Hat. A covering for the head, usually worn outdoors. He wore a big straw hat. House. A building where people live. They just bought a new house. Hail. Small balls of ice that fall from the sky. It started to hail in the middle of the storm. Hake. A type of white fish. We had grilled hake with lemon for dinner. Hall. A large room or corridor in a building. She waited in the entrance hall. Ham. Meat from the leg of a pig, often cured or smoked. Would you like some ham in your sandwich? Hammer. A tool used for hitting nails. He hit the nail with a hammer. Handcraft. Something made by hand, usually decorative. They sell handcrafts at the local market. Handlebar. The steering bar of a bicycle or motorcycle. He gripped the handlebars tightly. Handsome. Attractive. Used especially for men. He's a tall, handsome man. Harbor. A place on the coast where ships dock. The boat entered the harbor at sunset. A harbor is a large, protected area of water where ships can anchor safely, often with many docks and facilities. A dock is a specific structure within a harbor where ships are tied up to load or unload goods. Hare. A fast animal similar to a rabbit. A hare ran across the field. Harp. A musical instrument with strings. She plays the harp beautifully. Harvest. The gathering of crops. Farmers are busy during the harvest season. Hawk. A bird of prey. The hawk soared above the field. Head. The top part of the body or a leader. She hit her head. He's the head of the department. Hear. To perceive sound. Can you hear the music? Heart. The organ that pumps blood, or the center of emotions. My heart is racing. He broke her heart. Heat. High temperature. The heat was unbearable in the summer. Heavy. Weighing a lot. This box is too heavy to lift. Hedgehog. A small, spiny animal. The hedgehog curled into a ball. Heel. The back part of the foot or shoe. She hurt her heel while running. Helicopter. An aircraft with rotating blades. The rescue team arrived by helicopter. Hell. A place of suffering in many religions or a very bad situation. That exam was hell. Helmet. Protective headgear. Always wear a helmet when riding a bike. Hen. A female chicken. The hen laid 3 eggs. Hero. A person admired for courage or noble qualities. He's a war hero. Hill. A raised area of land. They live on a hill outside the city. Hippo. A large, heavy animal that lives mostly in water. Short for hippopotamus. The hippo spent most of the day in the river, staying cool. History. The study of past events. I love reading about ancient history. Hive. A structure where bees live. The hive was buzzing with activity. Hole. An opening or empty space. There's a hole in my sock. Home. The place where one lives. She went home after school. Honey. Sweet substance made by bees or a term of affection. I put honey in my tea. Good morning, honey. Honeymoon. A trip taken by newlyweds. They went to Greece for their honeymoon. Hood. A covering for the head or part of a car. He wore a jacket with a hood. The car's hood is open. Hook. A curved piece of metal or plastic used for hanging things. He hung his coat on the hook. Hoop, a ring or circular object, often used in sports. She scored a basket through the hoop. Hornet, a large stinging insect. A hornet's nest is dangerous to approach. Horse, a large domesticated animal used for riding, racing, or carrying loads. She rides her horse every weekend. Hot, having a high temperature. It's really hot today. Hotel, a place to stay while traveling. We booked a room at a seaside hotel. Hour, a unit of time, 60 minutes. It takes an hour to get there. Hurricane, a powerful storm with strong winds. The hurricane caused major flooding. Husband, a married man. Her husband is a doctor. Hydrogen, the lightest chemical element. Hydrogen is used in fuel cells. Keep practicing these words, and soon you'll notice your English improving every day. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.